Watch this film.
Fake. Don't be fake.
Okay. I really didn't make this. The wife did. But she's just making some onions and tomatoes. And she made me this plate right now. Little steak and potatoes. Put a little salt on that. So it's Sunday. It's been kind of a slow morning. We've just been doing some things around the house. Been kind of slow, so we haven't taken much footage. We've just been watching Bloodhound on Netflix and hanging out. But we definitely have been eating. I've just been lazy today. Bon appetit. We're kicking back. This is what we do once a week. Got some mashed potatoes and steak. Got some Huma Pro, if you've never had that. It's super good. And some edamame from Costco. I like these little bags. Nice little snack. And we're watching some TV. Sorry.
Where are we going?
To the store. Gonna make some good old pot roast with these. They're pretty good. Here's our roast right here. Getting the groceries in. Look, all in one load. That's how you do it. The Masquatch. So let's crank this open and see what we got. Ooh, look at that. Looking fresh. Thing is clean. I like that. And this is sweet material. Super nice, super thick. And you got my small size. So you must believe that I'm going to make this 50 pounds in 50 days because it's a 4X, baby. We better fill that thing out or it's going to look like a bed sheet. We'll see. So if you haven't tried this combo, you definitely need to try it. This is just plain old chicken. This is actually boiled chicken. So I cut it up and I boil it in water with salt. Makes it a little more tender, a little more flavor. So there's no seasoning on it, but you can add any seasoning after if you want. But something that's really good is chicken with cottage cheese. I know it sounds like kind of a weird combo, but once you try it, you'll be like, oh my goodness. Thank you, Mike Sinkoviak, for changing my life.